Is your BMW i3 alarm constantly triggering? The most common culprits are a weak 12 volt auxiliary battery, a faulty charge port sensor, or a malfunctioning interior motion sensor. The 12 volts battery powers the alarm system when the car is off. If it's draining below 12.5 volts, it can cause false alarms. Charge port sensor issues often stem from corrosion or wiring problems, mimicking a tamper event. Interior motion sensors can be overly sensitive due to impacts or software glitches. Addressing these issues directly is key to stopping the nuisance alarms. First, check your 12-volt battery's health. If it's over 4 years old or showing low voltage, consider replacing it with a high-quality AGM or lithium-ion battery. Next, inspect the charge port sensor for damage or corrosion. A recall exists for Rexroth-built charge ports, offering free sensor replacements. Then, try resetting the interior motion sensor via the iDrive menu under Vehicle Settings, Security, Alarm Reset. If problems persist, a dealer scan tool may be needed to clear error codes. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to these areas will keep your i3 alarm system functioning correctly.